Next, if you want to say this, I will take this one, please. これお願いします。これ means this. Then お願いします is often used please. Repeat after me. これお願いします。One more time. これお願いします。Next one. If you want to pay a credit card, you can say like this. カードでお願いします。カード it means credit card in this context. Written in katakana because the word is from the English card, credit card, カード. Pronunciation is do, card. Then next is particle de. This particle de indicate by, like using something as a tool or a method, we use it de. カードでお願いします please. So let's practice. Repeat after me. カードでお願いします。One more time. カードでお願いします。